What is up, my crafty friends? My name is Carrie and welcome back to my channel. I know it's a little hard to believe that we're even thinking about doing a Christmas video, but with all the craziness in the world, Keisha and I decided that we wanted to collaborate with y'all on a Christmas in July video. So let's take a look at the rules for this open collab. Okay, so let's take a look at our open invite rules. For number one, you're going to mention your host names and the playlist in your video. And your hosts are myself, Mama Dares to DIY, and also Sweet Urban Rose. For rule number two, we're going to list the host channels and the playlist in your description box. We're also going to use hashtag 2020 DIY Christmas in July. Rule number three, we're going to make one or more Christmas themed DIYs of your choice. It can be anything from ornaments to garlands to stockings, pretty much anything you can think of that you would normally use to decorate your home for Christmas time. Rule number four, we're going to upload your video to the playlist on Friday, July the 17th at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. We're going to give you that link for the playlist in the description box of this video and also in our community tabs as it gets closer to time to upload your video. And last but not least, have fun. I know it's a little bit crazy to be doing Christmas stuff in July, but I promise you, you're going to have a blast with it. It's going to get you in that holiday spirit and have you wishing Christmas was here tomorrow. That does it for today's video, y'all. If you're going to join us on this open collab, leave me a comment down below and let me know. And until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.